Hey everyone, welcome back to Doola Daisy, you guys. It's me, it's Ann. Happy Saturday if you're watching this on a Saturday or whatever day you're watching this, you guys. I do have a whole box of goodies for you guys. Valentine's Day, there is cotton yarn in here. There's a pound of love. There's a crochet hook set, you guys. Karen, Simply Soft. I just grabbed a bunch of red and pink yarn. That is for you all, and I'm going to tell you this. I will pick a winner next Friday. I believe that's the 28th or something along those lines. So please, 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 if you enter today, Saturday, which is the 20th, so next Friday will be the 27th. If you enter, please, please, please be sure to look out for the winner picked video. I will tell you now, people that enter have not been looking out for those videos. This is a real thing. I do send out your giveaways, you guys. So please, 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 I love it. I love it when people win yarn. I love doing this for people. I love helping out my community. Please, 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 if you enter, check back, okay? A lot of people enter, few people check back. I don't know why that is. So please, please, please check back. Another thing, these are now open internationally, okay? My giveaways are open internationally. The only thing is, I cannot send this box of goodies internationally, unfortunately. It's way too expensive to ship, you guys. Even with the most, cheapest, it still is like $100. So what I can offer my international friends is an Amazon gift card. Just make sure, please, you have an Amazon account and I can send you a $25 gift card, okay? So, gotta get that out of the way because sometimes I forget to say it. But yes, I will have a giveaway. But first, you guys know me. I like to talk about things. I will be talking about a lot of things in this video. So one is my latest project. Actually, my project, my poncho, you guys, is finished. This is my Doola Daisy poncho. It is a rectangle poncho. I will put it on for you right now. If you guys have not seen it, it's really awesome and gorgeous and beautiful. I love it so much. It is, I think, 52 granny squares. This is my design. This is the Doola Daisy design, you guys. You will be seeing this square throughout this year. I designed it when I was sick with COVID this past year, so I'm super excited. The deal with this poncho is it is sponsored by Hobbii. So I am sponsored by Hobbii. When I do Hobbii projects, okay, so the square is my design. I own that. But when I do Hobbii projects, I submit the pattern and I submit my proposal. It takes about a month for everything to go through. So if they accept the pattern, I have to submit the pattern. They have to translate it to like 3 or 4 different languages, and then they put it up, and then they put it up on their, and then I have to do a whole photo thing, and then they put it up on their website. It takes time, is what I'm telling you. So please, please, please just be patient. I have to wait for Hobbii to see even if they're going to accept it, and then I have to go through their process. So this again is through Hobbii. I'm super, super excited. And this is just the rectangle poncho that I was talking about that I've been doing for the past 3 months. It is finished. I did submit my proposal, so I'm super, super excited. And now we're just waiting. I think the actual deadline is not for another 2 weeks. So that's how that works when you are sponsored and when you're working with a yarn company. It is super exciting. So you just have to you have to go through the motions, and you have to do what every company is different. So this is what it's like to work with a company and when you're sponsored. So I know a lot of people are like, where's the pattern and where is this? You guys just have to be patient. Please, please, please. So that is, I am done with it, and it came out exceeded my expectations, and I'm so super excited. I will have the tutorial out. Again, I just have to wait for Hobie and to see what they're going to do with the poncho. If they accept it, then I have to go through them. If they're not, then I have to make the tutorial on my own. So that's how that works. Anyway, I do have another pattern through them that I'm working with. I'm using the Hobie Twister yarn for this pattern. I've never used this yarn before, you guys. If you have never used this yarn, this is super awesome yarn. I am doubling the strands for this piece. I'm making a pillowcase, but this would also be a fantastic, I think, placemat. My table looks so bare now that I took away all of my Christmas decorations and I made those awesome placemats. And I'm thinking about making placemats with this fantastic pattern. And this is I forgot the actual name of the pattern, but I love it. I'm making this in 5 different colors. Again, this is going to be a pillow, and I'm super, super excited. It's going to be over, I'm just buying the pillows at like the white pillows on Amazon, and it's going to go over the pillow. So I'm super, super, it's going to be a pillowcase. I believe that's the word for it. So I'm super excited about that. Another thing I want to talk to you about, you guys, I made this sweater last year. This was my Valentine's Day sweater. It is reversible. It has the hearts on the back, the granny hearts. And this was a super awesome project that I made. I love it. So you can reverse it. I made another sweater like this, I think the year before in 2022. This was made with big twist yarn, and I absolutely love this sweater. It's so awesome to wear. Every time I wear it out, I get the best compliments. Everyone loves it. I used big, let me stand up. I used big twist yarn for this, and this is just literally a granny square. On the back, I found the pattern. I have all of the information on my actual tutorial on where I found the pattern for this square, but it's super, super awesome, you guys. If you would like to make this sweater or check it out, you can check it out right here. I'll post the link, and I will also have the links down below in the description box, and I will also have, I'll link it at the end of this video. This sleeve, I love making 3/4 length sleeves, as you can see. And this one, I actually, black, when you're making crochet tutorials, black does not show up on camera. I mean, that you can't see anything. So I was making a white one just for the crochet tutorial, and I was going to switch it back to black, but everyone said keep the white, so I'm so glad I kept the white because I love the way it looks. When you are making your crochet designs, please, please keep in mind that you can use any colors that you want. If you want to switch this to pink and purple, if you want to switch this to pink and black, please, 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 please. And I always say that in my crochet tutorials, you guys, you are not limited to any color. You can use any colors that you want. Please, please, please do not use the colors that, you're not limited to the colors that they use in the crochet tutorials. Another tutorial, I need to do a video where it's just my designs, because I have, where it's just my tutorials, you guys. I have so many. Another tutorial that I have is this fantastic scarf. I use the blanket yarn. This one is also the big twist blanket yarn. I forgot the exact name of it, but it is so comfortable and so, so warm. We're actually going up to the snow in March. I think it's in March. But it's so beautiful. I love this scarf, and I know a lot of you, you guys are gonna laugh. It's like in the mid 50s here. It's super cold for us. I'm in the Bay Area. We are cold, okay? It's cold for us. I'm freezing. I grew up in the Midwest. I know what cold is, but it's cold here. I'm cold. Anyway, this is really, really awesome. I love this scarf. I think it's so, so beautiful. I did the tri-colors just because I had the yarn. But again, if you want to do this scarf, you could do it in one color. You could do it in two colors. I've totally forgot. I think this is the shell stitch. It is a shell stitch scarf. It's really, really pretty. I use the blanket yarn. If you guys would like to check out this tutorial, I'll have this tutorial linked up above. Okay, let's get to this giveaway. I'll have the links down below too. This giveaway is in this box right here. What do we have? I'm so excited because I'm finally making room for why do I have all of this stuff? I don't have this stuff out. I have all of my crochet stuff in drawers, and that needs to end because it needs to be out in the open so I can see exactly what I have. I literally have so much stuff that I've crocheted over the years that I forget what I have because it's just tucked away, and I need to have it on display. And like I said, I need to have my yarn room and my crochet room in my space so I can film in there, get out of my kitchen, and I can start filming in there and like have it nice and super spectacular like everyone else does. Why I don't have that, I don't know. Anyway, that is my goal and it will happen this year. Anyway, let's see what we have in this box today. I don't have any glasses near me, so we're just gonna wing it. Karen Simply Soft. Everyone knows and loves this yarn, you guys. It is 4-weight, 5mm hook, 315 yards. Forgive me, I don't have my glasses on if these numbers aren't exact. 100% acrylic. This color is called Strawberry. Super, super pretty, you guys. You get that. You get a crochet hook set. I believe it's 2mm all the way up to 6mm. Really, really pretty. Pretty colors, actually. These I literally found on the bottom shelf. This is like a tomato red. 2 skeins of the cotton, 24/7 cotton by Lion Brand. This is kind of mercerized. It has a little bit of sheen to it. It's really pretty. I bought this, I swear to you, like 3 or 4 years ago. I was going to make a dragon. This was before I started my crochet tutorial, my YouTube channel. I bought a book. It was called Magical Creatures or something like that. And I look ridiculous. I just realized that. It doesn't matter. I was gonna crochet a dragon. I have no idea where that project is, but I bought this yarn. This is brand new yarn. So this is Lion Brand 24/7 cotton yarn. It's gorgeous yarn. If you guys have never used it, it's really, really pretty. Now I'm wondering where the other colors went. I have to look for them. It's 186 yards. It's a 4-weight. I cannot tell you the hook size because I cannot see. And this color is red. It's like a really pretty tomato red. Look at how pretty that is. And then we have this color. I love that color. This color is like a really berry color. The sky's getting really dark here. It's gonna start raining. Look at how pretty that color is. This is also Lion Brand 24/7 cotton. It's really, really pretty, you guys. This color is called Magenta. Look at how pretty that is. Look at these colors together. It's very Valentine's Day. Super pretty. And then, last but not least, I made it fit all in this box. We have Lion Brand Pound of Love. I was watching TikTok the other day and these ladies go dumpster diving and they went in, I don't know what state they were in, but they were at a Michael's and Michael's threw away threw away boxes of brand new Lion Brand Pound of Love. Boxes. This lady had a truck full of Pound of Love. It made me so mad. Michaels, what are you doing? Anyway, you also get a Pound of Love, you guys. Lion Brand yarns, Pound of Love, so beautiful. This is really good quality. It's not scratchy at all. It's really soft. This color is cherry. How many yards is this? 1,020 yards. It's a 4-weight 6mm hook. Really, really pretty, you guys. You get all of this yarn. So you get this one. Let's put everything back. You get the 2 skeins of red. You get the magenta. You get the beautiful Karen, and you get the crochet hooks. What do you have to do to win this yarn? All you have to do is please make sure you're subscribed to my channel, you guys. We're almost at 10,000. Thank you so much. I would have had like 15, 20,000 people already, but the past 2 years have been really, really rough on me. So thank you to everyone who has stuck with me. Thank you to everyone new who have or just beginning to follow me, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I really, really appreciate all of you. So just make sure you're subscribed to my channel and answer the following question down below. I ask a lot of questions about food. I just made breakfast a little while ago, and I thought about this question because I'm limiting my carbs. And I made carbs today for breakfast, and I thought about you all. So here is a question from me to you. Answer the following question down below, you guys. Is it potatoes, pancakes, or toast on this for your side at breakfast? Potatoes, pancakes, or toast? I usually get potatoes, hash browns, extra crispy, with a side of toast. When I go out to breakfast, breakfast is super expensive, especially around here. So we really don't go out to breakfast all that often. Like, it's $25 to $30 a person now for breakfast. But when I do go out to breakfast, I love my sourdough toast. Anyway, with extra crispy hash browns. That's so delicious. Let me know down below in the comments, everyone. You will be entered to win this gorgeous box of yarn, all the goodies. Thank you so much for being here. Please, please, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel, you guys. Thanks so much for all of your support, you guys. I really, really appreciate you all. I hope, I'm so warm. I'm so warm. I hope you all have a fabulous weekend, and we will talk to you, we'll talk to each other in the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.